Today we are going to learn about mastering GDPR documentation. Best practices explained. This video will teach you how to effectively maintain and organize GDPR-related documents, ensuring compliance and avoiding fines. Welcome to our session on mastering GDPR documentation. Best practices explained. In today's video, we will explore the essentials of GDPR documentation and reporting. Understanding GDPR documentation is crucial for organizations to demonstrate compliance and avoid hefty fines. We'll delve into the specific documentation requirements under GDPR, explore the key components of compliance documents, and guide you on creating and maintaining various records. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to effectively manage your GDPR-related documents, including data processing records, data protection impact assessments, and breach reporting. Let's get started.
The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, requires organizations to maintain comprehensive records demonstrating their compliance with data protection principles. This involves documenting processes, policies, and any data processing activities. Understanding these requirements is vital, as failing to comply can result in significant fines and reputational damage. GDPR documentation typically includes records of processing activities, data protection impact assessments, and data breach notifications. Accurate documentation not only helps demonstrate compliance but also improves data management practices. Non-compliance can lead to fines of up to 4% of annual global turnover, emphasizing the importance of thorough documentation.
GDPR compliance documents are critical for proving an organization's adherence to data protection laws. The core documents include the Record of Processing Activities, ROPA, Data Protection Impact Assessments, PIAs, and Breach Notification Procedures. The ROPA should detail all processing activities, including purpose, categories of data, and data subjects involved. PIAs assess risks associated with data processing and outline measures to mitigate them. Breach notification procedures ensure timely reporting of any data breaches to supervisory authorities. Each document must be comprehensive, regularly updated, and accessible to relevant stakeholders to maintain compliance and transparency.
Creating a record of processing activities, ROPA, is a fundamental step in GDPR compliance. This document should include details such as the name and contact details of the data controller, the purposes of processing, and descriptions of data subjects and personal data categories. It should also include any recipients of the personal data and transfers to third countries. Regular updates are essential as processing activities change over time. Ensuring accuracy is crucial to avoid compliance issues. Tools like data management software can help maintain organized and accessible records, streamlining the documentation process and ensuring regular updates. A Data Protection Impact Assessment, DPIA, is a process designed to help organizations identify and minimize data protection risks. It is particularly important for processing that might result in high risks to individuals' rights and freedoms. Conduct a PIA when introducing new data processing technologies or when processing sensitive data on a large scale. The process includes describing the processing, assessing necessity and proportionality, identifying risks, and detailing measures to address them. Documentation should include all findings and decisions made. Regular reviews ensure that PIA remains relevant, especially when processing activities change.
Documented data protection policies and procedures are central to GDPR compliance. These documents outline how an organization manages data protection and ensures compliance with the law. A comprehensive data protection policy should cover data handling, processing activities, and the rights of data subjects. Procedure documentation should detail processes for handling data breaches, conducting PIAs, and managing data subject requests. Regular training and clear communication ensure that all staff understand and follow these policies. Policies and procedures should be reviewed regularly to accommodate any changes in business processes or legal requirements, ensuring ongoing compliance. Under GDPR, organizations must report certain types of data breaches to the relevant supervisory authority within 72 hours of becoming aware of them. Key information to include in a breach report includes the nature of the breach, the categories and approximate number of affected data subjects and data records, and the likely consequences of the breach. It's also crucial to document the measures taken or proposed to address the breach and mitigate its effects. Internally, organizations should maintain detailed records of all breaches, even those not reported. Effective communication with affected parties is also necessary, providing them with information on the breach and how it affects them. The Data Protection Officer, DPO, plays a pivotal role in GDPR documentation. Responsible for overseeing the data protection strategy and its implementation, the DPO ensures that the organization complies with GDPR requirements. This includes maintaining thorough documentation, advising on data protection impact assessments, PIAs, and ensuring that data protection policies and procedures are up to date. The DPO is also responsible for raising awareness and training staff on data protection practices. Regular audits and reviews conducted by the DPO help identify any gaps in documentation or compliance, ensuring that the organization remains aligned with GDPR standards.
Managing GDPR documentation can be complex, but using the right tools and software can streamline the process significantly. Documentation management tools can automate record keeping, update logs, and provide templates for GDPR-required documents. Popular tools include OneTrust, TrustArc, and DataGrail, which offer features like risk assessment, data mapping, and breach management. When selecting a tool, look for features such as user-friendliness, integration capabilities with existing systems, and comprehensive reporting functions. Automating documentation processes not only ensures accuracy and compliance but also saves time and resources, allowing organizations to focus on core business activities. As we conclude, remember that effective GDPR documentation is not a one-time task but an ongoing process. Regularly reviewing and updating your documentation ensures compliance and reduces the risk of hefty fines. Embracing technology and leveraging tools designed to manage GDPR requirements can greatly enhance accuracy and efficiency. Stay proactive by keeping abreast of any changes in GDPR regulations and adjust your documentation practices accordingly. By mastering GDPR documentation, you not only safeguard your organization but also instill trust among customers and stakeholders. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has equipped you with the knowledge to navigate GDPR documentation confidently.